Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to score free kick from Halfline in FC Mobile. So to score a goal from your own half, all you need to do is to aim the joystick towards the goal and make sure to keep the joystick as straight as possible. Then while dribbling towards the goal, swipe up on the pass button to perform the lob pass, and then make sure to apply the max power in the lob pass. This way you can score a goal from your half or the center. And that's it. You just have to follow all of those steps so you can perform or to score a goal from the center. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.